king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so on a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Only with king, you a king.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Berlin. On today's video, I am going to be talking a little bit about the Nuloxx tool. As you can see, it does come in two different sizes. This is the regular, and this one is the mini. So as you can see, the regular has two different grooves on there, and that's for parting purposes. And I can also do a video showing you how to part using this tool. From the tip to the little hook, that would be considered small locks. If you're interested in really small locks, this is what you would use to measure it. So from the tip to the first groove, that would be medium. And from the tip to the second groove, that would be large. And then you also have the mini, which it doesn't have the groove on there for parting. But this is a really great tool as well. And if you have really tiny locks, for those of you that have the mini micro locks, this is perfect. So how you use this tool, I'm going to show you a demonstration just on the tool itself, and then I will show you a demonstration on one of my clients. I did do a video before using this tool, but however, it did get copyright because of the music. So I took that one down, and I just wanted to create another one. So this little hook right here is where you kind of catch the locks. So once you get the locks in this little hook, what you want to do is slide your thumb forward. You slide your thumb forward to kind of like secure the lock inside the mouth of the hook. And then you want to tilt down and just pull through. So you hook the lock in the little hook mouth, slide your thumb forward, and just pull it through. And it's the same with this one. Hook, slide your thumb forward, and pull it through. Everybody use the tool differently, and I guess as you start using it, you'll see what's more comfortable for you. And me sliding my thumb forward is what's comfortable for me. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested on purchasing this tool, I do have it on my website, so I will definitely leave the link down below. As you can see, I've already started the maintenance process, and I just wanted to do a few on camera so you guys can get an idea on how to use this tool. I forgot to mention it's really good for parting. So if you're looking to get clean parts, this is definitely the tool for you. So I'm making sure that the parts are clean so that way the grids are still intact. Okay, make sure that you grab a lot of clips, that way to move any loose hair out of the way. So I'm just cleaning up the parts, and when you interlock, you want to make sure that you are going directly into the center of the lock. So you go directly in the center. You're going to place the lock into the little hook. Push your thumb forward, tilt down, and slide. Let's try it again. Push your thumb forward, tilt, and slide. Once you learn how to use this tool, you'll probably figure out the best way for you that it's comfortable. But for me, the sliding the thumb, secure the lock into the hook mouth. And just cleaning up the part, and we're gonna try it again. Directly in the center. Place the lock in the hook. Slide your thumb forward, tilt, and slide, pull out. I did have a video that was up, but unfortunately there was some copyright flag on there because of the music. So that's why I'm creating another one. And also, guys, I will be doing videos on the parting and how to part, whether it's the mini, the medium, or the large locks. If you guys are interested on seeing how I part, or if you guys are interested in seeing a install from the beginning to the end, just please comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Also, if there's any videos that you would like to see me do, just please comment down below. Bye.